All right, what's up, Internet? This is Andrew from Node Island. Today we are going to be speed running a very simple effect called a rim light. You might know this from the layer styles and various Adobe products, but we're going to be creating a little light around whatever our input is going to be. It's a fairly straightforward effect, really simple. The goal of these tutorials is for you to really dig down into the base components, specifically the composite operator. Um, yeah, so I'm going to go through this tutorial. What I'd like you to do is to listen to the sound of my voice. I'm going to do my best to explain it in the simplest terms, most detailed terms, so that you can just focus on your computer and try to get it done faster than I can, essentially. So I want you to watch the video twice. The first time, listen to me, follow along. The second time, try playing the video in the background muted and just see if you can build this faster than I can. Again, this is really about getting the fundamentals of TouchDesigner fast, get everything in your fingers, be able to move as fast as you think. So let's get into it. This is what we're going to be making today. It is a simple rim light effect. We have some custom parameters here so we can translate the rim light around. We can also adjust the blurring and then put anything that we want into it. It's a nice little effect, and let's try to make it ourselves. So the first thing that I'm going to do is hit tab over to the comp section of the op create dialog, create a base. We're going to name it rim light and go into it. I'm going to create an in top, and then I'm going to create a circle and plug it into the bottom inlet of the in top. I'm then going to click on the common tab of the circle, and under resolution type 1000 by 1000. First thing that we're going to do is right click on the outlet of the end top and type constant. This is going to be our light, our rim light. I also probably want to click on the circle and change the color so we can actually see what we're doing. So I'm going to choose blue here for my circle color. Getting back to the constant, we're going to click on constant 1, and under output operation, we're going to go inside, and we're going to make sure that the color is white. We're now going to add a transform and translate it over and down just a little bit. So under the translate properties, 0.02 or 03 should be pretty good. After the transform, we're going to add a blur and increase the amount of blur. And finally, we're going to create a composite. And what we're going to be doing here is the first thing that we want to plug into the composite is going to be our constant that's going into the top input of the composite, and the second one is going to be the blur. Now, our operation is going to be outside, and what this is going to do is to give us our little rim light here. Okay. So now that we have the rim light, what we need to do is recomposite our input image with the rim light. So we need another composite, and the top input of the composite is going to be in. The bottom input is going to be the rim light here. And for this, we want to set it to under. There we go. So this is basically our effect. Right click on the output of our composite and type out, and now we have our effect. All right. we want to set up our custom parameters. So we're going to right click anywhere inside of the network that is not on one of the operators and click customize parent component. We want to have a little bit of information about the rim light color. We're going to grab that from our constant one. We also want to change our translate. Sometimes rotate is actually nice too, and scale as well. We want to grab our pre-shrink and filter size from our blur, and that should do it. So now we have the ability to change the color, the color of our rim light. We can also rotate it, which actually doesn't look like it's doing anything. That's all right. We can translate our rim light from side to side and adjust what the shrink is going to look like. All right, so give that a shot. It's a really, really fun, quick tutorial. Really dig into some of the composite options and understand that in a deeper level. I hope that you're able to get it done faster than I can. Good luck and have a nice day.